Can you change "do you write a letter" into passive voice in just 5 seconds? Most students make mistakes in verbal questions. In this video, you'll learn the easiest rules of active and passive voice for simple present tense with 57 examples. Let's begin. Active to passive voice of simple present tense verbal questions. What is a verbal question? A verbal question whose answer is always in yes or no form, and that question begins with a helping verb such as do, does, am, is, are. 1. Structure of active voice to passive voice of verbal questions of simple present tense which begins with do or does. Active voice. Do or does plus subject plus V1 plus object plus question mark. Passive voice. Is are plus object plus V3 plus by plus subject or accusative of pronoun plus question mark. Rule 1. Remove do or does to bring the object to the front. 3. Use is are according to the new subject. 4. Change the verb into V3 means past participle. Examples. 1. Do you write a letter? Is a letter written by you? 2. Do they clean the room? Is the room cleaned by them? 3. Do we follow the rules? Are the rules followed by us? 4. Do students solve sums? Are sums solved by students? 5. Do you speak English? Is English spoken by you? 6. Do you read newspapers? Are newspapers read by you? 7. Do they watch television? Is television watched by them? 8. Do we obey our teachers? Are our teachers obeyed by us? 9. Do the workers build houses? Are houses built by the workers? 10. Do you open the windows? Are the windows opened by you? 11. Do they sell fruits? Are fruits sold by them? 12. Do students answer the questions? Are the questions answered by students? 13. Do you wash the clothes? Are the clothes washed by you? 14. Do they write stories? Are stories written by them? 15. Do we celebrate festivals? Are festivals celebrated by us? 16. Do the children fly kites? Are kites flown by the children? 17. Do you buy books? Are books bought by you? 18. Do they repair bicycles? Are bicycles repaired by them? 19. Do farmers grow crops? Are crops grown by farmers? 20. Do you send messages? Are messages sent by you? 21. Does she write a letter? Is a letter written by her? 22. Does he play cricket? Is cricket played by him? 23. Does Ram read newspapers? Are newspapers read by Ram? 24. Does the teacher teach English? Is English taught by the teacher? 25. Does she sing songs? Are songs sung by her? 27. Does she write poems? Are poems written by her? 28. Does he drive a car? Is a car driven by him? 29. Does Ram solve sums? Are sums solved by Ram? 30. Does the teacher check homework? Is homework checked by the teacher? 31. Does she prepare meals? Are meals prepared by her? 32. Does he repair watches? Are watches repaired by him? 33. Does the boy fly a kite? Is a kite flown by the boy? 34. Does Sita sing songs? Are songs sung by Sita? 35. Does the shopkeeper sell vegetables? Are vegetables sold by the shopkeeper? 36. Does he paint pictures? Are pictures painted by him? 37. Does she clean the room? Is the room cleaned by her? 38. Does the doctor treat patients? Are patients treated by the doctor? 39. Does Ram buy books? Are books bought by Ram? 40. Does she teach mathematics? Is mathematics taught by her? 41. Does the manager approve applications? Are applications approved by the manager? 2. Simple present tense questions beginning with am or is or are. Structure of active voice. Am or is or are plus subject plus complement plus question mark. A verbal question cannot be changed into the passive voice if it does not contain an object. Examples. 1. Is he honest? Here, the object is missing. 2. Is she happy? Here, the object is missing. 3. Is Ram intelligent? Here, the object is missing. 4. Is the sky blue? Here, the object is missing. 5. Is the boy absent? Here, the object is missing. 6. Is he honest? Here, the object is missing. 7. Are they happy? Here, the object is missing. 8. Are you ready? Here, the object is missing. 9. Are the students present? Here, the object is missing. 10. Are we late? Here, the object is missing. 11. Are the children hungry? Here, the object is missing. 12. Am I late? Here, the object is missing. 13. Am I wrong? Here, the object is missing. 14. Am I ready? Here, the object is missing. 15. Am I lucky? Here, the object is missing. 16. Am I honest? Here, the object is missing. Rule: since there is no object, passive voice is not possible. Now, you can easily change verbal questions from active to passive voice. If this lesson helped you, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe our YouTube channel Google Baba 1712 for more easy English grammar tutorials. See you in the next class.